Where are you now when darkness seems to win? Where are you now when the world is crumbling? Oh, I hear you say, I hear you say, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Hey, where are you now when all I feel is doubt? Oh, where are you now when I can't figure it out? Oh, I hear you say, I hear you say, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Hey, look up. You're not threatened by the war, you're not shaken by the storm. I know you're in control. Even in our suffering, even when it can't be seen, I know you're in control. Oh, I hear you say, I hear you say, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Oh, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Oh, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. I hear you calling my name. Oh, hey, look up, child. Hey, look up, child. Hey. Through the eyes of men, it seems there's so much we have lost. As we look down the road where all the prodigals have walked, and one by one the enemy is whispered lies and led them off as slaves. Ooh. But we know that you are God, yours is the victory. And we know there is more to come that we may not yet see. So with the faith you've given us, we'll step into the valley unafraid. Yeah. As we call out to dry bones, come alive, come alive. And we call out to dead hearts, come alive, come alive. Up out of the ashes, let us sing, I'll be rise. Oh, we call out to dry bones, come alive. Oh, God of endless mercy, God of unrelenting love, come rescue every daughter, bring us back the wayward sons. and by your spirit breathe upon them. Show the world that you alone can save. Oh, you alone can save. As we call out to dry bones, come alive, come alive. And we call out to dead hearts, come alive, come alive. Up out of the ashes, let us see an army rise. Oh, we call out to dry bones, come alive, yes. So breathe, oh breath of God, now breathe, oh breath of God, breathe, oh breath of God, now breathe. Come breathe, oh breath of God, now breathe, oh breath of God, breathe, oh breath of God, now